So nothing special here, just a refresh on the colors of the iPhone. I did order this and I picked it up at the Apple store the other day. It's just a kind of a show and tell. Oh, wow, that's beautiful in person. Definitely deeper than I thought it would be from the pictures or whatever. But wow, that is beautiful. In person, folks, it just looks, the green around the camera and the logo is really nice in person, I have to admit. But this frosted green is really nice. And here it is next to, I'm not trading in my blue one or anything like that, but here it is next to the blue. If you're wondering, this is what it looks like. Let me clean up my blue one. Also have a red iPhone too, but it would be nice if they would give a red version in the Pro models, but for some reason they don't. Yeah, here's the green. And again, this is just a show and tell for people. Nothing spectacular. There is nothing different about this phone. I bought it because I like green and blue is two of my favorite colors. And, you know, my likes and dislikes about the phone will be the same. You know, I don't like the shiny sides, but this green is absolutely beautiful. So yes, when I leave the house, I'm going to put a case on it. But around the house, I don't wear cases, and I'll put new tempered glass on here. And that's going to be it. I did order some more cases because I didn't have enough that I would like to go around for this. But here is the green, and I hope that's coming across really good on camera. That is a beautiful, beautiful green. And for those that have the blue already, you know, I didn't buy this to tell you to upgrade, folks. I'm just buying it because I'm a tech enthusiast and I like shiny new gadgets every now and then. And colors to me, you know, help me keep me impressed until I buy the next one. So I will be buying the next iPhone iteration, but there is nothing different about these two phones, just different colors. That's it. Like I said, I went to the Apple store. I order all my iPhones from the Apple store when I can. Only time I will buy one from the carrier, because I like unlocked. The only time I will buy one from the carrier is if I just can't get one from the Apple store and I'm still paying full cost for it. So I'll just have them unlock it because I like that iPhones don't have any kind of logo on the startup. But there it is, man. Just a real brief, quick video. This is fairly simple. A color show. That's all it is, man. The green is beautiful in person. So if you're wondering what the 13 would look like in green, it'll be like that dark green there, and it'll just have the matte sides. It's the same thing. They just reverse the colors, but the green is a beautiful. I just wish that companies would start doing this, like at launch. That's something that's not going to change. So this is how they keep themselves relevant and keep you spending money and things like that. That's why I said, don't buy this. You know, you don't have to buy this phone. Don't bother buying it because you're just kind of wasting your money if you already have a 13 Pro Max. But you're going to say, well, Jay, you just wasted the money. Well, no, I'm not, because this is going to go to a family member. So I don't need two of the same phones. I'm going to start using the green. I'm going to give this to a family member. So that's the reason why I have a lot of phones too, because I have a big family. You know, got lots of family members that can use these. So you know, when I end up keeping a phone, it goes to someone else, or if I have multiple, I give them away to family members. I think you should too. If you're a tech enthusiast, I'm pretty sure you're that person that people come to first and say, like if you're a creator, people come to you and say, you got any phones? And the first thing I do is say, you can go over to my storage area and you can check it out and take a look at it. But nonetheless, conversation aside, this is a beautiful color in person, folks. Which one do I like better? Honest opinion, I like the blue as a complete package around the camera. I don't like how dark the green is on the green, like around the camera module. I like the blue because it's still very strong on the powder blue side. And with the green, it's dark, really dark around the camera right there. It's not like horrible, but it's just, I think the blue looks better as a complete package on the back of the phone. But how often do we look at the back of our phones? But the darker color on the sides really helps the green. And that's all, man. A conversation about colors. So if you were wondering, there they are. It's your man Jay. Grab the green, and in certain lights, you know, it might look graphite depending on, you know, how it is, but just like the blues kind of look gray in some. Like I've had people say that the blue Ultra looks gray at times, but this is definitely blue. And if you were wondering, it's like, here they are, all of them, you know, right there next to each other. Your question's answered. It's your man Jay. I think the iPhone 13, iPhone 11 Pro Max, the green one I had, That one was a beautiful green, man. It was a beautiful green, and I think a lot of people would really like that one. That's all they did was kind of update this one to that. So, a long conversation about colors. People want to hear these things, and people want to see these things too. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Did you order a green one, or are you sticking with the color that you currently have? Take care.